Biolamer is a European Pathfinder open project. Through this project, we are trying to address two significant challenges the world is currently facing. The first one is the food waste management challenge, and the second one is the petrochemical plastics challenge. Through Biolamer, what we are trying to achieve is we are trying to take the food waste generated everyday basis. The food waste is being generated, and it's very difficult to manage this food waste. The food waste that goes to the landfill can create a lot of greenhouse gases such as methane, and even the food waste that is currently being composted creates carbon emission. So compared to that, the Biolamer processes will reduce the carbon emission and create generate some value-added biopolymer products. So what we are trying to achieve is take the food waste, mixed food waste. The food waste can be mixed with meat, poultry, vegetables, and whatever you can name it. All these mixed food waste will be put into a plant where black soldier fly larvae will be grown, and these larvae will eat the food waste and grow, and then they will lay eggs, and that eggs will be converted into larvae. So this larvae will be taken, and this larvae has a very interesting chemical composition, which has around 30% lipid concentration and around 30% protein concentration, and then rest is the minerals. So this larvae biomass will be taken, and through a biorefinery process we will synthesize polyhydroxyalkanoates biopolymers. Polyhydroxyalkanoates are polyester-based biopolymers which is generated through this biorefinery process. So we start from the food waste. Food waste is generated around the year, per day basis, and that way there won't be any scarcity for the raw materials, the feedstock, and this food waste will be converted into larvae, and that larvae will be converted into polyhydroxyalkanate biopolymer, and then we will develop some value-added products from that kind of biopolymers. One of the products we'll be using for food packaging applications. So that's the project. That's the Biolamer project. The Biolamer project is as I said, an EIC, European Innovation Council Pathfinder open project. The project has just kicked off in the month of April, and this will be a 3-year project. So please subscribe our social media platforms. All the social media platforms are named Biolamer project, and we will have a website as well for the project. So please keep an eye on our project to see what are the outcomes and what are the impact of our project.
From my opinion, this is a very innovative project. Biolamer is the first project that includes a biomass from larvae to be transformed into biopolymers. These biopolymers are completely biodegradable and can be used for different applications. It has a high impact because these larvae eat some wastes or food wastes, and then this food waste is transformed into larvae, and then larvae is transformed into bioconverted into biopolymers. So this is a very circular approach and has a high impact in bioeconomy if we prove that these biopolymers can be applied in different applications.
A high potential, high impact project trying to develop new circularity in the economy, in this case in the field of biopolymers, starting from a residue. But because it is technologically very demanding, we are also going to apply machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques in order to improve the process, to optimize yields and optimize productivities. in order to have in the end an economical, technological solution that fulfills these goals.
And also, this, if the project is well succeeded, I think it's the solution for from food. Nowadays, food is more food waste is going to for biogas or is collected and discharged in landfills. But in this case, from food we create value. So this is a very interesting way to convert food into bioproducts.